As you can see here, the Godot editor is nicely opened up for our tutorial. Today we'll be making the obstacle set on which we'll be testing our character so that you will know what collisions are and you'll know what is actually a box, CSG box, and how to use it. Let's go. So first, I've created a node 3D under which I'm dropping my obstacles per se, and I've turned on use collision in all of my CSG boxes. What collision essentially is that when you're walking into a wall, you bang your head, right? You don't walk through the wall. It tells the game what obstacles you can walk through and what obstacles you can't walk through. That's basically what collision is. And now that I've designed this, the next part of this tutorial is going to be putting the character into the scene so that we can actually test out our level and not be, overly assumptuous of whether it will work or not. So now I've brought the character into the scene and I've set its properties, speed, jump, and gravity as we've done so in the last tutorial video. And after this, you can actually put the character in there and test it out for yourself. Does it work? If it does, hit the like button. You've successfully done it, and it took you 1 minute and 30 seconds.